Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Holly and I have an unboxing for you, and it is Universe Bound book box upside down. I have been getting this box for a while and it is my favorite book box, and I am so happy to have this. It always comes at the right time. I already cut it open, so let's just peek inside. Okay, that's what it looks like when we pop it open. Get rid of our stuff out of the way. Like I said, this is the deluxe box, so there's all of the stuff inside. Let's open our envelope, and there is how he seals the envelope, and that is a J on there for James. That is the curator's. Always sends bookmarks for your books. You don't want to close your book without holding your place. Oh, kitty cats. There is a kitty cat. I said kitty cat, my dog's ears are popping up. There's a kitty cat on the back of there. That's a very nice color contrast. I love the orange and the black. Very nice color contrast. Oh, super sleuth kitty cat. Very nice. Okay, let's see what our packing slip says. That is what our packing slip, it says everything that we get, and it does tell you if you have, and then that's all of our, oops, and there's our books. Bath bomb. All right, here is our bath bomb. Oh my goodness, that smells so good again. These bath bombs. Plutonium mist. Larger bath bomb is in the deluxe box, and this is the larger bath bomb, and this is the deluxe box, and this smells amazing. I love it, love it, love it. Okay, and then we have, this is liquid soap, and I'm trying to see if there is a scent. I want to smell. I love these bottles. They work amazingly. I love them. Love them, love them, love them. Okay, now that I made a mess, I fixed it. There, see, it fits. Okay, so if you get one of these, do not fill the bottle completely, because it will go all over the place. I made a mess of my paper, but it's okay. I cleaned it up and I smell wonderful. So the smell, I haven't really decided, but it smells good. It does smell good. My hands smell amazing now. So, okay, back to the box, back to the box. All right, so we are on to, this is our tea, and this is Clementine Sunset. And if you hear that, that is a lawnmower. Somebody decided that they need to mow at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Come on now. I got some of this tea in my audiobook box, and it smells amazing. Clementine Sunset. And it smells just like oranges. It smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. And then we have the coffee, and it is Death Wish Roast, which I also got in my audiobook box, and I want to tell you, I am so up for the challenge. Death Wish Roast. I'm up for it. It's going to be a long weekend, so I'm up for the Death Wish Roast. Not death, but, I mean, it keeps me awake. I got a long weekend ahead of me. Smells yummy. There's the coffee. The coffee and the tea are just my jam. I'm telling you, I love the coffee and the tea. And then we have the wonderful candles, of which they make everything. The candles, the teas, the pillows, everything. They make all these, which I absolutely love. I'm glad that they don't outsource. They don't make another company money. They make their own things, and I love, love, love that. I love that they do all of this stuff, and they make all this stuff. And I also love that they now have included a lid with their candle, which, James, the wood wick, it don't fit. Look. It's okay though, because I think I can pop this off, this plastic piece. Oh, the candle is Jovian Rose. Oh my goodness, this smells so good. Jovian Rose. Oh, I like that. That's the wood wick candle, and I love that they have different scents, and I love that. I just popped the plastic piece off. Now I can put that. We're on to our asteroid dust, which I love, and this is Plutonian Mist. I don't know who comes up with these names, but it absolutely describes the smell. The smell is what I would call it. It does. It just, the smell is amazing. It just, I don't know. It's just, it's like a crushed up bath bomb, but it works the same as a bath bomb. It's really, it's amazing. I love it. I absolutely love it. And then we have our popcorn, which is, who doesn't want to have popcorn and read a book, right? So in our paperwork that you get with your box, he tells you how you can make this popcorn on the stove, in the microwave, however you would like to make it. This popcorn's amazing. I love it. Usually, as soon as I get done with the video, I go make myself some popcorn and I start reading my book. So I love the popcorn. It is, you get tea bags. You can put your tea in it. And I have used these bags to brew my coffee. I put my coffee in it too. I know I'm strange, but it works. Oh, I forgot about this. Oh, I love this thing. This is Alien Fruit Soap. This stuff is crazy amazing. I love it. It works so good, and it lasts quite a while. So if you get this box, make sure that you try this out. And love it, love it, love it. And then we have our bag of tree. I almost said T-R-E-A-T-S. My dog would have went, She loves that. So here's what our treats look like. I don't want to say it too loud. So I'm going to dump them on my desk. Then I will show you. Oh, wowie. Okay, so we have some Noni's biscotti. Love these. They're amazing. And then we have about 5 of these ginger chews, which are also amazing. Ginger is very good for you. And then we have some Werther's Original chews, which are just, they're not good for you, but they're good for me. I love them. And then we have some unidentifiable, I don't know what these are, but James, he watches my other videos, so he knows I'm adventurous when it comes to food, and I'll try anything. So I'm gonna try green tea, aren't they, James? Is that a green tea Kit Kat? Oh, it tastes like grass. Oh, James, I don't know. Oh, okie dokie. That has to be an acquired taste. At least you can say I tried it. It's got like a weird, like mentholy taste. Aftertaste is weird. 1, 2, 3, $4. Oh, these are a little cute. All right, ready? Ready. Let's get to, all right, the first one is Blood Defense. By Marcia Clark, and I have heard of her, and I do like her books. First in a new series from best-selling author and famed prosecutor Marcia Clark, a terrific writer and storyteller. And James Patterson said that. Samantha Brinkman, an ambitious, hard-charging Los Angeles criminal defense attorney, is struggling to make a name for herself and drag her fledgling I can't say that word today. Fledgling practice into the big leagues. Sam lands a high-profile double murder case in which one of the victims is a beloved TV star, and defendant is a decorated veteran LAPD detective. It promises to be exactly the kind of media sensation that would establish her as a heavy hitter in the world of criminal law. Though Sam has doubts as his innocence, she and her two associates, her closest childhood friend and brilliant ex-con, take the case. Notorious for living by her own rules and fearlessly breaking everyone else's, Samantha pulls out all the stops in her quest to uncover evidence that will clear the detective. But when a shocking secret at the core of the case shatters her personal world, Sam realizes that not only has her client been playing her, he might be one of the most dangerous sociopaths she's ever encountered. That sounds like it's going to be a good book. 11 hours and 50 minutes of listening, one disc. That is going to be a good one. The Cat Who Could Read Backwards. And this is by Lillian Jackson Braun. The first cozy mystery in the beloved New York Times bestselling Cat Who series. The world of modern art is a mystery to many, but for Jim Quilliran, it turns into a mystery of another sort when his assignment for the Daily Fluxion leads down the path to murder. A stabbing in an art gallery, vandalized paintings, a fatal fall from scaffolding. This is not at all what Quilliran expects when he turns his reporter talents to art. But Quilliran and his newly found partner, Coco, the brilliant Siamese cat, are in their element, sniffing out clues and confounding criminal intent on mayhem and murder. This riveting beginning to the Cat Who series is a perfect cozy mystery for cat lovers to start sleuthing. Aw, a kitty cat story. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, look at, even it's got little kitty cat paws on it. And then we have Ghostly Paws by Leanne Dobbs. And this one says, to defend her client, she must dig up a town's dark secrets. Defense attorney Cass Leary thought she'd escaped her hometown for good, but after leaving her high-paying job in Chicago, she decides to revisit her troubled past. When someone murders the beloved high school basketball coach and Cass steps in to defend the girl accused of the crime, she doesn't expect the death threats that follow. Confronting the town that shunned her as a child, she unearths the secrets that someone would kill to keep buried. And after her client confesses to the crime, Cass detects a widespread cover-up. If she doesn't get to the bottom of it soon, the next fatality may be the one she loves. These sound like really good books this time. Oh, and I love it. It is bigger print too. I love that. All right. I'm going to go through these but I have a lot of books to read this time, so it might take me the whole month this time. Ooh. I have never heard of Mystic Notch Cozy Mystery. I am curious about these books this time. All right. USA Today's best-selling author, Sarah Rosette. Book 1 in the High Society Lady Detective series, Murder at the Archery Manor. A high society murder a spirited lady detective, can she outclass the killer before an innocent person takes the fall? London, 1923. Olive Belgrave needs a job. Despite her aristocrat upbringing, she's penniless, determined to support herself. She jumps at an unconventional job, looking into the background of her cousin's fiancé, Alfred. Alfred bursts into the upper crust world of London's high society, but his answers to questions about his past are decidedly vague. Before Olive can gather more than the basics, a murder occurs at a posh party. Suddenly, every bright young person in attendance is a suspect, and Olive must race to find the culprit because a sly murderer is determined to make sure Olive's first case is her last. Murder at Archley Manor is the first in the high society lady detective series of charming historical cozy murders. If you like witty banter, glamorous settings, and delightful plot twists, you'll love USA Today's best-selling author Sarah Rosette's series for Anglophiles and mystery lovers alike. Travel back to the golden age of detective fiction with Murder at Archley Manor. So it's kind of like set back in the 1920s, and that's going to be kind of interesting. Yeah, cool. I kind of am intrigued with these books this month. They're all pretty cool books. Cool. All right. Well, that is it for my Universe Bound book box this month. Let me know what book you would be interested in reading, and that's it, my friends. I gotta get reading. So if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, consider hitting the subscribe button below and let me know how your day is going, and I will let you continue on with your day. All right, guys, I'll see you in my next video real soon. Bye, y'all.